everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be creating a fly game in Scratch. Like always, if you want to see more of my videos, you can go into the playlists of my channel and see my videos. They're all in order, they have their own playlists, so you can go and check and find my videos easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you want to choose a character. But this cat, if you want to use this, you can use this. But I'm going to delete it. I'm going to click the trash can. So then I'm going to click this cat. Not the bow. I don't know. Every single time it gives me the bow. Anyways, you can search cat. Because there's a flying cat and I like to pick that. But you can pick whatever you want from here. So I'm going to click cat flying. So then you need to choose another sprite. You can either choose a sprite from here, or you can choose a backdrop. I think I'm going to click choose buildings. So then I'm going to drag it to the bottom of my page, just like that. And then on the building, I'm going to set the code, change X by -10. So -10. And then I'm going to put it in the repeat 10 times. I'm going to replace this with 50. After that, I need to set X to 250. Set X to 250 above the repeat loop. 250. And last, you need to click you need to add a forever loop, every single thing. Also, we can't forget when green flag clicked. So now let's see. It looks like it's moving, except there's one thing. The cat is going behind the building, which we don't want. So we're just going to do that. Put the cat a little bit higher, and there we go. It looks like the cat is flying. You can also add some more codes, like, for example, I want to add some clouds. So let's see if there is a cloud sprite. There it is, perfect. I'm going to choose this one. Oh, we need a backdrop. Okay, then let's choose a backdrop. I want like a blue sky, and a blue sky is going to be good. This one. Perfect, that looks good. Maybe how about I can customize this. As you saw in the last video, I taught you guys, I showed in my videos how to customize how to animate a sprite. So I'm literally doing that right now. You can even choose like a lot of buildings, as I told you guys in the last video. Let's see if these buildings are anything good. They are, but I think I want to choose the first one. It's just more elegant. Then I'm going to choose a color. Let's do dark blue. Not this, but the behind part. Just like that. That looks good enough. And then I'm going to go back to code. So the cloud can go up here, and then we can increase the size of the cloud by 150. This looks good. Okay, maybe that's a bit too big. How about 120? That looks good. Now you're going to repeat the code, what you did over here. So when green flag clicked, you can change X So change x by -10. And then you're going to repeat this 50 times. 50. Underneath this, or actually no, above the repeat, you need to add set x to 250. Set x to 250. And join it again with the one flag clicked. Last but not least, there's two things that we need to do. Put this in a forever loop, and that's it. So you can actually do whatever you want now. So if you click this, the clouds are moving. You can even make more clouds if you want. But this is the end of this video. If you would like to see more, then please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Turn on your notifications so that you guys can get a message or be notified whenever I upload new videos like this. Remember to comment down below done after you've subscribed, liked my video, and turned the notification bell on. This week's subscriber is Naveed bin Race. So thank you so much for subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.